Now let's have a look at another measure of central tendency, which is called the median. The median, unlike the arithmetic mean, does not really depend on all the items, on the value of all the items in the set. In fact, the median is a sort of positional average or mean. This is because the median, by definition, is the middle value of the distribution. So, given the value of the median, you can be sure that 1/2 of the possible all values lies less than the median value, and the other half of the entire distribution would lie above or be greater than the median value. So, the median is also known as the middle value of the distribution, or it is also called a positional average. Now, in the case of individual observations, let's have a look at how we will calculate the median if you have individual observations. So here what you can see is income of 5 people, which has been given to us. The first step when you have to find the median is to arrange it in ascending or descending order. So here I can write this as 2250, 2470, 2650, 2700 and 2750. You can arrange it in ascending or descending order, you will get the same answer. Now the number of observations n is equal to 5. So the median will be the n plus 1 by 2th term of an arranged series. So in this case it will be the 3rd term in the series, which means 2650 will be your median value. Remember, I told you that median is a positional average, which means to the left of 2650 or to numbers less than 2650 will be 2, and numbers greater than 2650 will be the other 2. So that is the middle value, or it is the positional average that splits the entire set into 2 equal sizes. While calculating the median or for individual observations, it may so happen that the number of observations you have is even. For example, suppose your arranged set of observation you have a set of 8 observations which has been arranged in this manner. So the n is 8, the number of observations. In this case, your median value will be, or the 4.5th term in the distribution. However, since 4.5th term is not there, it will be the average of the 4th and the 5th term. That means the median value will be 7 plus 10 divided by 2. So this will be the median value. If you have a discrete series and its related frequency table, as is shown in this example. You can find the median by calculating the cumulative frequency table. So by cumulative frequency, I am going to use the less than ogive numbers. So that means 16 people have incomes 1580, and the next one will be 16 plus 24, which is 40, 66, 96, 116, and 122. Now once you have found the cumulative frequency table, you know that your capital N, or the total number of observations, is 122. So your median value will be n plus 1 by 2th term. So that's 122 plus 1 by 2, which means 123 by 2, which means 61.5th term. Now we know that 61.5 would fall in the 60. That means the 61st and the 62nd term would fall in this category. And so we can say that the median income in this case is 1650. Let's have a look at another example. This is directly from the guidebook. You have got height in centimeters, ranging from 160 going till 182, and you have got the number of soldiers reporting to this height. Again, when you have a discrete series and you have the frequency table associated with it, the first step is to calculate the cumulative frequency. Remember, I am adding it up downward. So 1, 3, 13, 25, 35, 54, 68, and 70. This is the cumulative frequency table, and since the total number of observations is 70, my median term will be, that is 70 plus 1 by 2, which is 71 by 2, which is 35.5th term. Now since the total number of observations is even, remember we have to take the average of the 35th term and the 36th term. Right? Now, as you can see here, from the cumulative frequency table, you can see that the 35th term will be 173. However, the 36th term will fall in this category and the observation will be 178. So, your median value will be 178, which is the 36th term, plus 173, which is the 35th term, divided by 2. Which is equal to 175.5 centimeter. Right? So the median height of this group of observations is 175.5th term. Please remember that if your total number of observations is an even number, your n plus 1 by 2 will give you a decimal point such as 35.5, which means you have to take the average of the 35th term and the 36th term to arrive at the median value.